Wishing there was a skincare routine tailored specifically to your sensitive skin's needs, leaving you feeling calm, confident, and radiant. Well, your wish has come true. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Anima Dixit from Jaipur Aesthetics Clinic in Jaipur. I want to talk to you about something that affects many of us, sensitive skin. Whether you're dealing with redness, irritation, or just a general feeling of discomfort, taking care of sensitive skin requires a delicate touch and the right products. Before we dive deeper, did you know that approximately 50% of the people report having sensitive skin? If you have ever experienced that dreaded tingling or burning sensation after applying a product, you are not alone. But what exactly makes skin sensitive? Sensitive skin can be caused by various factors including genetics, environmental triggers, allergies, and skin conditions like eczema or rosacea. These triggers can range from environmental factors like harsh weather to skincare products containing fragrances or harsh chemicals. Here's a fun fact. Studies suggest that climate changes such as prolonged exposure to sun, wind, or extreme temperatures can also exacerbate skin sensitivity. So if you notice your skin acting up in winters or summers, it's not just you. Now let's delve into the reasons behind sensitive skin. Genetics. Genetics play a significant role, as does a compromised skin barrier. When your skin barrier is weakened, it becomes more susceptible to irritants, allergens, and environmental aggressors. But fear not, with the right approach, we can strengthen and protect your skin barrier. Studies show that individuals who have reactive skin often report feeling discomfort during stressful situations. That's right, stress can manifest on your skin, leading to increased sensitivity. Have you ever wondered if your skincare products are actually making your skin more sensitive? Many beloved ingredients like essential oils and fragrances can be so appealing yet may irritate sensitive skin. Think of your skin barrier as a fortress. It keeps the bad stuff out while locking in moisture. When it comes to products and ingredients, less is often more for sensitive skin. Look for gentle, fragrance-free formulas that are free from alcohol and synthetic dyes. Opt for soothing ingredients like chamomile, aloe vera, and colloidal oatmeal to calm and nourish your. Moisturizers are specially formulated for sensitive skin with ingredients like ceramides and hyaluronic acid, which help hydrate your skin without causing irritation. You might also want to look for products containing panthenol, vitamin B5, a hydrating ingredient known for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties. And of course, always assess the product's pH level. Ideally, it should be around 5.5, close to your skin's natural pH. With the right approach, we can strengthen and protect your skin barrier. Incorporating gentle practices like avoiding hot showers and reducing exposure to harsh soaps can go a long way. Always choose lukewarm water for cleansing, as hot water can strip your skin of natural oils. Skincare habits are crucial for maintaining sensitive skin's health. Always patch test new products before applying them on your face. Apply a small amount on your wrist and wait for 24 hours to see if there is any reaction. Avoid over-exfoliating or using harsh scrubs, as they can strip natural oils and further irritate your skin. When it comes to your skincare routine, less is important. Stick to a simple regime of cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection, and avoid overloading your skin with too many products. And don't forget sunscreen. Sun protection is crucial for everyone, but especially for those with sensitive skin. Look for a broad spectrum SPF 30 or higher that's formulated for sensitive skin. Remember, if you are unsure about which products are best for your sensitive skin, don't hesitate to consult with a dermatologist, as they are best equipped to help you manage your sensitive skin. Beyond products, lifestyle choices also play a significant role in managing sensitive skin. Here are some habits to consider. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can significantly improve your skin's overall health. Dehydration can lead to compromised skin barriers. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on anti-inflammatory foods such as fruits, vegetables, fatty fish rich in omega-3s and nuts. These foods can promote healthy skin from inside out. I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the world of sensitive skincare. By understanding the causes and proper care techniques, you can enjoy calmer, healthier skin. If you have dealt with sensitive skin, I'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your tips in the comments below and let's help each other navigate the often tricky waters of sensitive skincare.